How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a custom hotbar in Roblox Studio. So first things first, you want to get yourself an extension. Now in my case, I'm going to be using the full custom inventory system. So just click on the get model and then click open in Studio, which will then take us to the Roblox Studio right here. And if this is your first time using it, you actually have to refresh your Roblox Studio in order to use it. So let me just go ahead and exit out of my Roblox Studio, open it up again, and now we have our inventory right here. So you just want to expand the custom inventory. You want to drag the folder onto the starter GUI, and then you want to right click on it, click on ungroup, and then we could just delete this custom inventory right here. And so if I click on the play button, we can then see the custom inventory that we just imported, which is going to be this one. And so that's how easy it is to do it. Basically, you can now add items the way you want to, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.